Our Earth consists of different types of landforms. Sand dunes, ice caps, and thick forests are found in different parts of the world. These regions are packed with a variety of fauna and flora. We know about the Amazon rainforest located along the equatorial region. These rainforests receive plenty of rainfall and abundant sunlight, because of which they are filled with lush green plants and fascinating wildlife. Now imagine that I tell you about a place which has extremely little or almost no rainfall. Isn't water essential for all living things to stay alive? So yes, no rain means there's no water. And no water implies that it's difficult for life to flourish. Such regions do exist on the earth. These regions have few plants and even fewer animals. We call these regions deserts. A desert is a landscape or a region that receives very little rainfall, making the conditions unsuitable for plant and animal life. It is a place which receives annual rainfall of less than 250 millimeters. We generally think of deserts as vast stretches of sand with very high temperatures and hot sunny days. Camels walking aimlessly through the sand. However, this is not always the case. As long as rainfall is very low, a region can be a desert. Just think about it. How much rainfall do you think the icy cold Arctic region has? Well, from what I can see here, it snows a lot for sure. But there's hardly any rainfall. So deserts can also be cold. Based on temperature, deserts can be classified into hot deserts or cold deserts. Hot deserts are areas which receive low rainfall and have a very high temperature throughout the year. Some good examples of hot deserts are the Sahara Desert in Africa and the Thar Desert in India. On the other hand, cold deserts are areas which receive low rainfall and have very low temperatures throughout the year. The entire continent of Antarctica, Ladakh in India, and the Gobi Desert in Central Asia are a few examples of cold deserts. So we can see that deserts are basically regions characterized by three main features: low rainfall, scanty vegetation, and extreme temperatures. Sounds tough, right? Well, a desert is a tough place to survive in. But humans have discovered the art of surviving even in these harsh conditions. When it is extremely cold, we wear sweaters. And when it's hot, we wear thin clothes, robes, and yes, we use air conditioners. Deserts are beautiful, but only if you're visiting them for a few days, I guess. What about living there? Well, people have somehow managed to find ways to survive even in these harsh conditions.
If you like this video and want to watch many more amazing videos like these, like and subscribe to our channel now.